Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best LG UltraGear 24 180Hz for the best possible setting. Now I'm going to be focusing more about gaming right here because generally if you purchase one of these monitors, you're likely more onto gaming. So I suggest setting the highest refresh rate on the advanced display setting on your Windows. Head over to the display setting. Open up the advanced display setting, and from there you then want to set the refresh rate to 180 Hz. Right after, we have to open up the OSD controls. More likely it's going to be a joystick beside the monitor or a button below it or behind it. You then want to set the following settings. So you want to navigate using those joystick or those buttons. For adaptive sync or FreeSync, you want to turn it on. The response time is going to be fast. The DAS is going to be on, and the game mode is Gamer 1, and HDR is going to be off, mostly for competitive gaming. Next one, we have the color setting. Brightness, I suggest setting this to 40 and 60, but of course, it can depend on your room lighting. For contrast, 50 or 70 works great. Sharpness at 50, mode gamma at mode 2, color temperature at warm, and the black stabilizer is at 50, and you want to increase it a little bit for FPS games. And lastly, I want to go ahead and make a final one for FPS games out there. So refresh rate, the highest number possible. Once again, response time is going to be faster. Adaptive sync is on. Black stabilizer 55 or 60. Crosshair off unless needed. And the reduced motion blur is going to be off. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.